In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draft an email in Google Docs and send it straight into Gmail without copying or pasting anything. Whether you're working with a team, using comments and suggestions to refine your message, or you simply want the convenience of Google Docs formatting while writing an email, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. It's a super useful feature, especially when multiple people need to collaborate on one message, so let's jump right in. First, open your Google Doc and head to the main editing area. Once you're there, type the @ symbol. As soon as you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu appear on your screen. Look for the option labeled Email Draft. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on Email Draft. A full email template will instantly appear inside your document. You'll see sections for the recipient, subject line, and the main body of your message. This template helps you structure everything clearly and lets your teammates add comments, suggestions, or edits directly inside the doc. Follow the on-screen fields as they appear. They're designed to be simple and intuitive, so there's nothing complicated to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to send the email from. Ensure your document has the correct sharing permissions if others are helping you edit, and double-check your formatting before sending. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed your email draft, head to the top left corner of the template and click the envelope icon. This button instantly transfers everything you've written, including the recipients and the message, straight into Gmail. After that, you should be able to preview the email in a Gmail window without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to read through it one more time before hitting send. Taking this extra step ensures everything looks polished and keeps your communication clear and professional. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to draft an email in Google Docs and send it through Gmail quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be trying to streamline their workflow. Why not make someone's day easier?